Vesper cocktail. Hey everyone, John here.
And Rachel walking through.
And Rachel. So I'm gonna do a Vesper cocktail, which is what's made famous by James Bond. James Bond supposedly invented it, even though Ian Fleming really invented it. So what it is, it's kind of like a martini. You're gonna do, for each drink, 1.5 ounces of vodka. And I'm making 2 because there's 2 of us.
You better be making 2.
Then 2 ounces of gin. So just pour it all over the counter. And 1/4 ounce of, this is called Lillet. It's sort of like vermouth. You could use white vermouth, dry vermouth if you'd like. But this was what was originally...
That's Lillet Blanc.
Lillet Blanc.
And if you can't get that, or you don't have that, because you're not a cocktail geek like this guy, you can just use dry vermouth, which we just used in the recipe.
Both Lillet and dry vermouth are fortified wines. The Lillet is a little slightly softer, but they're basically very similar. Anyway, so I always make a mess when I do this.
It's okay.
A classic
You
martini.
should make a mess when you make cocktails and when you make food, or they're not fun.
So a classic martini is always stirred, but you know, James Bond, shaken not stirred.
Shaken, not stirred.
So I'm certainly not going to argue with 007.
But isn't this supposed to be an ode to James Bond? Ian Fleming made a fake drink, right?
James Bond invented this drink in
You know what that
Casino
reminds
Royale.
me of is, it seems like old times with
Chicken
the fake
pepperoni?
chicken pepperoni from a Royale, which you love and we've made 1,000,000 times.
I do love Aurora's chicken pepperoni, even though
It doesn't
Aurora
exist.
wasn't a real human. So anyway, shake that up, and then James Bond, or Ian Fleming, did a peel of lemon over the top. And that is, courtesy of James Bond, the Vesper. Cheers.
Wait